Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north central Texas, Tarrant County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, southwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Saginaw to near Edgecliff Village to near Crowley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, DeSoto, Bedford, Cedar Hill, Halton City, Duncanville, Hearst, Burleson, Waxahachie, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, and Midlothian. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 30 and 60. Interstate 35 near mile marker 435. Interstate 20 between mile markers 429 and 465. Interstate 30 between mile markers 8 and 41. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.